Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is another video in plane and spherical trigonometry, particularly on complementary functions. I hope that this video will help you improve your trigonometric background, your skills in trigonometry, so that you will be prepared in engineering life. So here we go. We have two problems here, two sets of problems. And in each problem, there will be 10 exercises also in the second part. And you will have your part here by answering also the answering 3 exercises in problem 2. Write each function in terms of its cofunction. Assume that all angles in which an unknown appears are acute angles. So we have these exercises here. Before we give the answer to these exercises, let's have the background on cofunction, complementary function or cofunction. So the complement of alpha is co-alpha or 90 degrees minus alpha. So for instance, example, sine of beta equals cosine of 90 degrees minus beta. Remember, complementary angles are angles that add up to 90 degrees, or sum of angles is 90 degrees. That's why if you have sine beta, the complementary function of sine is cosine, and we replace the angle by its complement, which is 90 degrees minus beta, the complement of beta. So for A, cosine of 15 degrees is sine of 90 minus 15, and 90 degrees minus 15 degrees, and since 90 degrees minus 15 degrees is 75 degrees, so this is equal to sine of 75 degrees. Sine of 30 degrees is cosine of 60 degrees, because 90 minus 30 is 60 degrees. Cotangent of 38.66 degrees is tangent of 90 minus 38.66, and that is tangent of 51.34 degrees. So cotangent of 38.66 degrees is equal to tangent of 51.34 degrees. The cosecant of 45 degrees is secant of 45 degrees, because 90 minus 45 degrees is still 45 degrees. Sine of theta is, just like here, cosine of quantity 90 degrees minus theta. Tangent of 40.6 degrees is equal to cotangent of 49.4 degrees. 90 minus 40.6 degrees is 49.4 degrees. So cotangent of 49.4 degrees. G secant of 58 degrees is complement of secant is complementary function for secant is cosecant. So cosecant of 90 minus 58, that's cosecant of 32 degrees. H cosecant of 20 degrees plus x is secant of 90 degrees minus quantity 20 degrees plus x degrees. So that should be 70 degrees minus x. So cosecant of 20 degrees plus x is secant of 70 degrees, secant of quantity 70 degrees minus x. You add the sum is 90 degrees. Cotangent of quantity theta plus 35 degrees is tangent of 90 degrees minus quantity theta plus 35, and that is 55 degrees minus theta. Tangent of quantity 55 degrees minus theta. Then J cosine of 10.46 degrees is sine of 79.54 degrees. 90 minus 10.46 is 79.54 degrees. Let's proceed to the second exercise. Find one solution for each equation. Assume that all angles in which an unknown appears are acute angles. So we have 10 exercises again here. I'll just present the solutions to 7 of them, and I'll assign 3 sub-exercises for you to answer. Of course, you must also actively participate so that you will also learn in this video. Not just, I'm just present the solutions. You will only learn if you also solve or practice. So we have tangent x, cotangent of x plus 10. You have the option to change tangent to cotangent or cotangent to tangent. For simplicity, I'll change tangent to cotangent. So cotangent of 90 degrees minus x. I replace that to cotangent of 90 degrees minus x. Now that they are same functions, we equate the angles. 90 degrees minus x equals x plus 10 degrees. So 90 minus 10. 80 degrees equals x plus x, 2x. 80 degrees equals 2x. Divide everything by 2, so x is 80 over 240 degrees. Letter B, I'll again change sine to cosine. This is cosine of quantity 90 degrees minus quantity 2x plus 10 degrees equals cosine of 3x minus 20 degrees. Now that they are same functions, cosines, we equate the angle. 90 minus 10 is 80 degrees. So this is 80 degrees minus 2x equals 3x minus 20 degrees. 80 plus 20 is 100. 100 degrees equals 3x plus 2x, 5x. 100 degrees equals 5x. Divide everything by 5. So x is 20 degrees. I'll change tangent to cotangent. Cotangent of quantity 90 degrees minus quantity 3a plus 4 degrees equals cotangent of 5a minus 10 degrees. Now that they are same functions, equate the angles. 90 minus 4, 86 degrees minus 3a equals 5a minus 10 degrees. 86 degrees plus 10, 96. 96 equals 8. 96 degrees equals 8a. So a equals 96 degrees over 8, so 12 degrees. A is 12 degrees. D, I'll change the right side by its complementary angle. So sine of quantity b minus 20 degrees is equal to sine of quantity 90 degrees minus quantity 2b plus 5 degrees. So they are now equal, so equate angles. B minus 20 degrees equals 90 minus 5 is 85 degrees minus 2b. B minus 20 degrees equals 85 degrees minus 2b. So b plus 2b, 3b equals 105 degrees. Divide everything by 3. B is 105 over 3, so b is 35 degrees. E, I'll change the right side to secant. So secant of quantity 3x plus 10 degrees equals secant of quantity 90 degrees minus quantity x plus 8 degrees. Equate angles. 3x plus 10 equals 82 degrees minus x. So 3x plus x, 4x equals 72. Divide everything by 4. 72 over 4 is 18 degrees. Then I leave F to you and show that the answer here is theta equals 35 degrees. I'll proceed to G. I'll change the left side to cosecant. So cosecant of quantity 90 degrees minus theta plus 20 degrees equals cosecant of quantity 2 theta plus 22 degrees. Equate angles. 90 minus 20 is 70. 70 degrees minus theta degrees is equal to 2 theta plus 22 degrees. 70 minus 22 is 48 degrees equals 3 theta. 48 over 3 is 16, so theta equals 16 degrees. Then I'll proceed with H. I'll change this to, I'll proceed to I. Sine of 90 degrees minus quantity 3 theta plus 5 equals sine of 3 theta minus 20 degrees. So 90 minus 5, 85 degrees minus 3 theta equals 3 theta minus 20 degrees. So 85 plus 20, 105 degrees equals 6 theta. So that means theta is 105 over 6, so that is 17.5 degrees. So exercises not presented would be H. So in H, show that the answer X equals 11 degrees. And in J, show that it is alpha is equal to 39 degrees. Or X equals 39 degrees. So that's it for this video. I hope that you were able to follow the solutions and the explanations.